The president of the Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee, Vincent H. Pala, in conversation with media persons on the 26th of November, lamented on the unceremonious exit of the party's 12 MLAs to join the All India TRINAMOOL Congress. As far as the Congress party's status in Meghalaya is concerned, Vincent H. Pala informed that party workers, though unhappy about the manner in which the exit of the 12 MLAs had taken place, yet are determined to remain in the party and are all ready to work hard towards achievement of party goals set for the 2023 General Assembly elections in the state.
None of them informed either the BCC or the DCC or Mpcc also. We only saw in the press. Actually, there should be at least a decorum or respects in the party where you have been serving and the party has blessed you. Some of them, they have been ministers, chief ministers. Some of them have been a different capacity in the party. Some of them have just been appointed as the working president of the party. So I think they have just left like this. I think definitely, the one day or the other day, they will have to remember the party like many other people who left the party. They'll come back. So if you live with respects, then you will come back with respects. But if you live just like this, so one day or the other day, so you also will have to come back in a different system where there's no respects. For example, when RG was expelled by the same group of people, very unceremoniously he was expelled. How come? So, but since when we came back, so we thought that he should come back to us with respects. So same thing, many other people also who has been kicked out from the party because of one reasons or the other reasons. Now many of them said that since we have been kicked out from the party unceremoniously, especially in Garo Hills, many of senior leaders, so now many of them are ready to come back and said that we would love to serve the party. They may fight election or not, but that's a separate issue. But we would love to serve the party because they are being kicked out unceremoniously. So I think this the same people who left the party now, sometimes it may be a blessing in certain areas also.
The Mpcc chief also informed that after the AICC gives its approval to go ahead with legal action on defectors, the party will then submit a complaint to the Speaker of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly, Medba, as party representatives would prefer to fight back strongly and not just simply surrender to the deserters.
Definitely, see, what the system in our party is that whatever we do, we send to AICC for the approval, and if they advise us to do accordingly, we'll follow that. But many of the MLAs feel that we should not just surrender to them, but we should fight back strongly, and I think we should go at whatever the law permits us. We should file, because many of these people, they won with the sweats of the Congress voters, and many of them has just left without consulting the workers and without the reasons why they left the party, simply because we are in opposition. So I don't think that is fair and just for them to leave the party without, at least there must be a reason why we leave. That's why we have a party system. That's why we have a ruling and also an opposition. I think we should also look beyond our personal interest rather than just leaving the party, deserting the party. The party has worked for 5 years to fight for the election. The workers, day and night, they work for the candidates and they won. So, for especially many of the areas, the workers they used to fight physically also, to make the candidates win. So I think we should take all this into account. We should not just surrender. We should also take the views of many of our leaders. So we are on the job. That's why we are here, Bokong. Everybody has got their own job, but we're here in the party to discuss and consult. I think hopefully we'll come out with a strong recommendation to the ICC, and the ICC will advise accordingly.